Good morning! So, yes we can. Welcome sa Yes Global guys. So, ito ngayon bibigyan ko kayo ng quick preview. So, subukan nating pabilisin i-present sa inyo yung Yes Global para may idea kayo. Okay, so let's go! So, yes we can. Yes Global is all about us. Nandito mga leadership. Ito pag-usapan natin, no? About Yes Global. Ano yung membership, the leadership, okay, the products, okay, yung ways to earn, global compensation, syempre yung leadership and incentive para maging happy tayo pagdating sa finance or sa health sa product ni Yes Global, okay. So, Yes Global is pioneering in a new era of health and wellness by providing quality products, affordable supplements through direct GMP certified manufacturing, cutting out of the middleman to empower the healthier life. So marami pa siyang driven by the mantra, yes we can. Kaya natin, okay? So we believe in at the same time democratizing access to wellness, okay? Grabe. So ito kumbaga simple lang, empowering health and hope for the Yes Global story. Okay, so corporate wellness. So let's spread love, loyalty, and commitment. Okay, yan. So ito yung team ng Yes Global. So isa-isain natin. Okay, so silang tatlo. Si YB Sir Leo, yan. So ang ganda niyan, na-meet natin sa personal yan. Lalaki po yan Okay, so alam mo lang babae or bata pa yan. Di ko lang po alam yung sakto edad, pero bata pa sa akin. He is the founder and CEO of Yes Global. Okay? So ang good news sa kanya, napaka very humble din na tao na to. Okay siyang kausap. Sa dami-dami na na-encounter namin mga bosses or ganito, he is a good guy to, kumbaga kung paano makipag-usap sa atin as a leader. Okay? Ayun ang maganda sa kanya. Okay? So, ma-meet nyo rin siya in person, how he talks. You can search his video. Pag nakausap nyo po siya, grabe. So, ma-empower talaga kayo. So, what's his goal? Very straightforward. Ayan ang ating CEO, si Sir Leo. Okay, so, si Jonathan Abbey, the founder, CBO, siya yung director for Africa. Okay, so, matindi rin experience nila to market and pagdating sa business model na ginagawa natin, katulad ng sa atin sa mga ginagawa natin, how to grow the network and building. Okay, so marami tayong matututunan kung how they build the African market. Okay, so kasi almost bago pa lang to sa Asia. Okay, so tayo manguna. Dr. Chan, Chief Medical Officer, okay, sa medical background ng ating mas madalas po siya yung nagpapaliwanag sa mga Zoom about sa products and everything na ganyan. So isa po siya na maraming kumbaga tayong matututunan sa kanya pagdating sa wellness and beauty na meron yung product natin. Okay, so isa po siya. Alright, let's go. Yes we can. Why? Yes we can. Okay, so yan si Obama. Alright, hindi yan. So every time, adopting the powerful, inspiring motto, yes we can. We pay homage to the spirit of unity and determination that President Obama championed. This slogan, okay, this slogan encapsulates our belief in the potential of every individual and community to overcome the obstacles and attain a healthier, happier life. Okay, so yes we can. So actually napakaganda nung kanilang or lagi natin yes we can, kahit nagiging always positive na we can do it. Alright, so papansin natin, Yes Global, ito yung mga kanilang company registration. Okay, sa Malaysia, okay, naka-registered sila since October 2022. Okay, so yan. So may mga licenses si Yes Global, then paid up capital. So ito yung capitalization nila, almost 1.5 million in ringgit. Okay, so kung times mo sa 15,000 yan, ay 15 pesos yan, i-times mo na kung magkano yung capitalization nila. Sorry, ito pala yung Yes Global license nila, mga licenses nila. Okay. Then because merong quality, purity, okay, premium quality products, affordable and generous marketing plan and rewarding plan. So ito, nakabisit din tayo sa kanilang world class manufacturing, uh, powerful na facility, okay, pharmaceutical facility, pati yung kanilang food supplement manufacturing factory. Okay, so nabisita natin yung mga yan. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pagdating sa product, makikita mo may mga pictures tayo dyan na dyan na tinotol yung product and ganito, ganyan, which is sarili pong factory ng Yes Global. Okay, so ito may mga award din internationally yung ating Yes Global. Okay, so you can search it sa YouTube, mapapansin nyo marami kayong idea makikita who's in Yes Global, anong country na nagpe-penetrate din ito or nag-enjoy sa Yes Global. So mga GMP certification, itong mga to, maraming certification, ISO and everything certification, makikita nyo, even halal certification at mga yan at iba't ibang klaseng certification ng product. And the roadmap ng Yes Global kasi nung 2023 nung sinet-up yung company, di ba, na-registered ng 2022 October, 2023 setup, syempre na-legalize more than 10 countries nung 2023 yan, started with the 6 product nung 2023. Nung 2024 na-setup nila yung Pharma and Supplement Factory, okay, yung nakita nyo nung 2024 yan. Then factory setup with FDA, US, Europe, Eurasia, and Russia. Kumbaga, na-legalize more than 20 countries na. With US FDA certified, launched new ProBio product. So, mamaya ma-explain ko sa ano yung ProBio product nila with C. Then, in 2025, last year, they set up the factory. Okay, na ilan na multiple na yung kanilang product distribution. Ibig sabihin, mas pinarami nila yung product na paggawa sa factory sa China. Baka why sa China? Meron sila sa Malaysia yung nakita natin kanina na kanilang factory, Malaysia po yon. Pero etong 2025 sinet up nga po yung kanilang China factory. Why China? Uulitin ko kasi in China, laging may mga logistic yan na mabilis na pumunta sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Okay? So, yung costing also ng shipping and everything, syempre, yung costing din ng tao, mas mura, mas cheaper. Pero, syempre, yung quality natin, hindi naman na ano yung quality kasi may standard quality yung product ni Yes Global. So, kung mapapansin mo, marami kasi sila sa Russia, sa Africa. So, yun, doon gumagana yung mga product ni Yes Global. And that time, noong 2025, launched the new product, J-Plex, Aliprime, ProBio, and Dubai Pinnacle Excellent Eurasia. So, ilang beses na may award, nag-awarding sa Dubai, laging sa Dubai, tapos nakaraan Pinnacle Award ulit of Excellence in Africa. Okay, so company trip to Rome. So, yan, maraming na rin naganap na-enjoy yung mga members pagdating kay Yes Global. Okay, so 2026, okay, ito na, this time 2026 pa ngayon habang pinapresent natin to. Okay, African factory. So magtatayo rin sila ng sa Africa ng mga factories. Kasi why? Ang dami na nagko-consume ng product sa Africa. Almost doon kung si-search mo. Okay, so announcement of Yes Factory na factory fund. Okay, announce of factory fund, more product to launch. So, yun yun ang roadmap. At least meron kayong idea, guys. O yan, product. So, let's share the product. So, Sunrise. Ito yung top selling product ni Yes Global. So, itong Sunrise na to is DeFi Edge Embrace. Boost Natural Energy Alertness. Ito, nilalagay lang sa dila yan. Sublingual. Nakikita nyo yung maliit na sachet na yan. Nasa box. Lalagay mo lang yan sa ilalim ng dila mo. It's a nanotechnology. Improves also the focus and mental clarity. Supports healthy and anti-aging. Para sa pagkakaintindi natin, ayan yung tinatawag namin ditong double stem cell. Okay? Na plant-based is phyto cell. Okay? Is Sunrise is a daytime supplement that boosts natural energy, alertness, focus, and mental clarity without harsh stimulants, supporting productivity and overall vitality throughout the day. So, in my experience, grabe, yung mga ingredients na nakikita nyo, hindi ko po gaano alam ipaliwanag yan. You can search it, i-turn nyo kay AI, kung ano yan. It's 100% it will helps in our body. Okay? So, and marami po tayong testimonial pagdating dito kay Sunrise. Grabe, believe me. So, you must try this product. And pangalawa, yung hindi makatulog sunset. Kung may sunrise, may sunset. Ito, naka-candy base, sleep well, improve your mind, okay? Empowered your mind, promotes relaxation, reduces stress, improves sleep quality, enhance mood and calmness. Ingredients, nandiyan din yan, apron, lavender, chamomile, Balisian, root extract, and rhodiola rosea. Okay, sunset is a nighttime wellness supplement that promotes relaxation, improves sleep quality, calms mind, helps fall asleep naturally, and wake up refreshed. Okay, yan yung pangalawa natin product. And pangatlo, grabe, ito very powerful talaga tong product na to kasi ako idol na idol ko tong product, no. So kasi lagi ko siyang ginagamit. So, colon guard is napaka-importante yan na protektahan natin colon natin, ano-ano iniinom natin to flush toxin and recharge life, support colon health and detox, promotes regular digestion. Kung hindi ka nadudumi 100% pag uminom ka nito sa gabi bago matulog, 1 hour, 2 hours before ka matulog, believe me, kinabukasan, hindi masakit ang tiyan mo, pero maganda yung pagdumi mo, okay? So, tapos, hindi lang siya isang beses. Maya-maya, bago ka umalis, kunwari, alis ka ng lunch, 100%. Magbabawas ka ulit. Yun lang yung masasabi ko sa inyo. It's magandang protektahan din natin yung gut natin, okay? So itong ating colon, using our colon guard. So what is colon guard? Colon guard is a digestive wellness supplement that supports colon health, gentle detoxification, regularity, liver function, and natural energy for daily digestive balance with a probiotic, flax, inulin. So, ayan yung mga ingredients yan. O ba, may beetroot din pala, no? So, beetroot is a very good ingredient na meron din dito. Alright, so colon guard, 100% ito yung nakikita ko na so magagaling dyan mag-online or mag-create ng mga account. Ito lang yung binibenta nila, no? Sineshare nila. Okay, sineshare nila. Okay, click the yellow basket, no? Sabay ganun eh. So, ito yung I think na isa sa magiging popular dito sa atin. Alright. Now, Alpha Max B. So, ito naman for sa mga babae, no? So, inner goodness, supports vaginal health and infection protection. So, sa madaling salita, pambabae ito. So, most pa hormonal balance and everything, ayan, no? Yung menopausal symptoms. So napakalaking matutulong nito ang product nito for the girls. Kasi bakit? Cranberry extract, kahit sino na umiinom ng cranberry extract is very powerful na content na meron kay Alpha Max B+. It's a woman wellness supplement designed to balance hormone support vaginal and reproductive health. So iwasin natin yung mga menopause symptoms, tapos mabubos pa yung over energy natin. So syempre karamihan yan to protect na hindi ka magkaroon ng myoma rin at the same time. Alright, so this is perfect sa atin, lalo na yung mga nagkaka-age na mga babae. 100% it will help this product para sa mga kababaihan. Okay, happy Women's Day. Yun, Alpha Max M Plus Coffee. Subok ko na rin itong Alpha Max Coffee na to. Napakalito sa iyo to. Hindi mo kailangang punuin. Kahit gabi, kahit tanghali mo to inumin. It's a reserve energy. At the same time, enhanced libido. Okay, may performance dito pagdating sa alam mo na, boost energy, stamina, confidence. Okay, support testosterone and overall male wellness. Basta ito masubukan nyo 100%. Hindi kayo ayaw dito. So mai-enjoy nyo tong product na to, itong kape na to. So ipoprotektahan nyo to. Gusto nyo maniwala kayo sa akin. So inumin mo umaga, Tapos pagdating sa gabi, powerful pa rin yan. Reserve siya, reserve. Hindi siya yung pagka inom mo, yan na agad. Hindi, reserve. Pag ginamit mo siya, talagang very powerful. Kasi what is Alpha Max Coffee? Ano meron? Performance, Focus Coffee, Boss Meal, okay, vitality, libido, stamina, sustained energy, overall confidence with supporting daily wellness. Ayan yung mga ingredients. Alright. Di ba? May tongkat ali, may makarot, maswaganda. Okay, meron pang mga iba. Oroy. Thor Hammer, yung panlalaki na naman, pangalan pa lang, Miracle Man. Okay? So, same yan, naka-candy type yan. Okay, may enjoy mo rin to. Yan yung mga ingredients din yan. Okay? So, naka-ano siya, naka-candy type. Yung isa is coffee, di ba? So, ito, naka-candy type siya. Powerful din. Rally Prime. Support men's hormonal balance naman. Okay, energy. Okay, enhance men's energy mood, safe and effective for men's wellness. Yan, mahilig ka nag-exercise, nag-gym. So, kasi meron siyang tongkat ali rin, ginseng and macarot. Men's health supplement and support testosterone level. Boost energy, enhance strength and focus, promote all over vitality. Okay, 60 capsules to. J-Flex, yan. Kaso-kasuhan na may pag-usapan natin. Joints, comfort, health, improves mobility. Siyempre, yung mga flexing mo, pag yung mag-golf ka ba? Yan, kailangan mo ng flex. Yan, kaya ginagamit natin yan. So, para yung flexing mo ba? Ano yan? So, medyo maganda yung pagpalo mo. So, basketball naman, yung iba, so mahilig mag-basketball. Yan, yung flexing, medyo nagkakaedad na alam mo na, nararamdaman mo na yung tumutunog-tunog dyan. So, very powerful tong J-Flex. Pangalan pa lang, syempre. Para yung galaw-galaw, move, live freely, and live freely. Ingredients, J-Flex Joint Supplement that promotes mobility. Syempre, flexibility, lubrication, okay, sa mga joints natin. Long-term comfort while helping reduce stiffness from aging or active lifestyle. Okay. So, ayan yung mga ingredients po niyan. So, may turmeric pala to. Kaya pala powerful din. Now, grabe tong 7 coffee na to. Hindi siya basta coffee. Boost is na natural energy, steady stamina. Okay, improves focus, mental clarity, mood, supports immunity, overall vitality. Nakikita mo itong coffee na to. Tingnan mo anong meron na. Why 7 coffee ang tawag? Wow, 7 mushroom yan. Ang din ito. Hindi isa, dalawa, tatlo. Puro mushroom yung karga. Okay. 7 coffee is a functional coffee blend that derives smooth, balanced energy, improves focus, and mental clarity, supports overall vitality. Okay. So, yan. May tiger milk mushroom. Lion's mane mushroom. Paano babasahin to? Maytake mushroom. Ayan. Chaga mushroom. Reishi mushroom. Agaricus mushroom. Tapos itong isa. Pero, mushroom din yan. Okay, hindi, ano bang basa dyan? So, yan. Ang maganda rito sa product na tong 7 coffee. Kung ayaw naman ng coffee, hindi, paano ayaw? Hindi mo pala ito maayawan. Kung gusto mo namang iba naman yung pangplasa mo, coffee, tapos gusto mo naman tea. Yun, mahilig sa tea. Grabe to. Pag nakikita mo to, promote relaxation, calm, alertness, support, gentle focus, mental balance, enhance digestive comfort, and daily wellness na meron kay milk tea. Okay, lagi tayong inom ng milk tea, pero regular milk tea lang. Pagdating dito, grabe, may 7 mushroom din yung milk tea. Sarap. So, maganda rito, kahit mga bata pwede, no? So, yung to promote the all over functional wellness, drinks that promotes calm, focus, supports digestive comfort, help to relax your mind, encourage overall balance with a smoothing tea experience. So, yan. So, grabe to. I'm very excited dito sa milk tea na to mixed with 7 mushrooms. Alright, let's go. ProBio C. Okay, so pag nakikita niyo, ProBio C Plus, strength immune system, boost energy level, promotes overall wellness. So nakikita mo yung ProBio C na yan with the 30 sachet. Okay, hindi yan vitamin C. It's a probiotic with vitamin C. Okay, so para malinaw, hindi siya vitamin C lang, it's a probiotic with vitamin C. So, nakikita nyo yung ProBio C is a daily wellness formula that support digestive balance, strength immune system, improves nutrients absorption, boost overall energy. Ang maganda dito sa shea lang yan, ilagay mo, i-mix mo lang sa tubig, 150 ml or 100 to 200, yan mo lang, inumin mo. Grabe. Actually, ang lahat ng product ni S Global, ang sasarap. Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Affordable at masarap. So ito, ma-enjoy ito mga bata. Ma-enjoy ng mga bata rin to. So hindi mo sila hindi sila mahirapan inumin to. So may enjoy nila to. Pati tayo, siyempre naman. Next, ProBio D. O kanina may C, D. Siguro may E pa yan. F, G, H, I. Hindi, ito po ay toothpaste po yan. Okay? So, Slimming Natural Confidence, Sensitive Teeth Friendly, Support Healthy Gums. So, mayroon din yan toothpaste. Alright? So, what's inside? Yan yung mga ingredients. Okay, oral probiotic that supports gums, reduce inflammation, maintains balance, oral microbiome, and helps lower risk of gum disease. Okay? Wow! Compensation plan. So, okay na tayo sa product. Nasolve ba tayo sa product? Okay, taas nga yung mga kamay. Say yes. Yes, we can. Alright. So, let's go to compensation plan. Okay? So, sobrang ganda ng quality product na pinakita natin or nakita natin or yung iba nasubukan na, yung iba naging customer lang or bumili lang, yung iba is alam mo na-enjoy tong product na to or ganyan. Pero yung compensation plan, lalo mo itong may enjoy pag gagawin mo rin to or isasabay mo or idadagdag mo sa mga product na iniinom mo. What we have in Yes Global to start. Okay, so normally, ito na yung mga package. Normally, may mga prices talaga yan. So, parang minimum dyan to get the business package at the same time with the products to. Okay, to start, we have 4 packages name. Merong consultant na tinatawag, account, leader, builder, and pioneer. So, himay-himay natin to. So, dito to start, at least yung 2520 na nakikita nyo dyan is one product po yan. So, kunwari, yung ating Sunrise, yan, isa yan. Kung napili mo naman, ito naman Colon Guard. So maganda dito, product of your choice. Ayan, kung gusto mo tatlo, hindi, gusto ko itong Sunrise, Colon Guard, Sunset. Okay, so leader kunin mo, 7,560. Teka, gusto ko 12, tigda dalawa. Sabi ko 12, ito gusto ko dalawang ganito, ganyan. So mga 30,000 to 40 yan. 65,000 naman yung Pioneer. Okay. Etong mga to nakikita nyo, meron siyang mga PB for pairing, may PB for mga 30 PB for sponsor value. So, dito may ako-computer niyan. Dito kaya ginagamit kung paano tayo mag-profit. And ang ganda nito, nakikita mo yung maximum bonus sa bandang dulo. Monthly potential. Imagine mo yung consultant lang, pwede ka kumita ng maximum 6,156 on monthly basis. Diba? Tapos 27,270. Tapos 149,700 monthly income pagdating sa builder yung account mo. Ang matindi niyan, bakit kukunin yung consultant, leader, builder? Doon ako sa Pioneer. Unlimited yung income. Ayun, walang limit. It's up to you guys. Okay? Kung ano yung gusto nyo, ano yung mo, it's upgradable naman yan. O ano yung nais mo na gawin to start. Okay? So, wala namang pahirapan dito to start na para kumita ka. Kasi normally, yung pinag-start mo rito sa membership package, product mo rin yan, yung din ginagamit mo. Tapos yung susunod na papakita ko sa inyo, to follow kung paano ka kikita rito. Once na na-encode na yung account mo, nagkaroon ka na ng account, you have an access, okay? Ito na yung pwede mangyari sa iyo. Pag nag-introduce ka sa atin, sa company ng product ng Yes Global. Now, ito pala yung membership package sa Malaysia. Pag ringgit, kung papansinin mo, RM170, pag kinumpare mo yan, minultiply mo yan, mas mataas, mas mahal dito sa Malaysia pag doon ka bibili. So, Philippines, grabe, mas discounted tayo. Okay, so yan din yun, pares lang yan. No, yun! 8 ways to earn. Siyempre, may direct sponsor. Okay, registration bonus. Yung direct sponsor, siyempre, ayan yung kada may nag-sign up sa'yo, na bumili under your organization, automatic, meron kay sponsor bonus. May registration bonus din. Registration bonus, simple lang yan. pwede ka kasing i-encode sila. So, habang in-encode mo sila, meron kang income. May pag-usapan natin, may upgrade bonus din. So, upgradable pala yung account. Ito magaganda yung development bonus, the development matching bonus, unilevel bonus, leadership rank, and retail bonus. Yan, imay-himay natin yan. Kasi pagdating dito sa direct sponsor bonus, nakikita mo yung consultant, 20% based on the PB, kaya $6 yan. Okay? So $6 yung kita mo sa referral dyan. Okay, kahit consultant ka, pag ang kinuha nila is yung leader, pag ganun tayo, pa kanan, nakita mo? So 15% yan based on the PB, so 13.50. Pag builder naman doon, 10%, okay, $36 yan. Then pag pioneer is $78. Pag ikaw yung consultant, okay? So may leader, napapansin nyo, ganun din yung almost commission, may mga differential yan. So the higher the package, the different income. Yan, different income na nakikita mo. So, pero imagine mo pag ikaw pala yung pioneer, you know, so same lang naman, pag consultant binili niya, kung $6 si consultant, $6 din naman si pioneer, di ba, consultant kinuha. Pero pag binili niya yung leader, papansinin mo, 13.50 yung consultant, pero ikaw 20 na. Yan, tingnan nyo yung taas sa kababa. Pag yung builder naman, yung 10% dun sa PB, $36, pag consultant ka lang, pag builder ang binili niya, pero ikaw 93. Nakita mo ang layo ng difference. O di ba? So lalo na kung pioneer ka. Kasi kung pioneer ka talaga dito, binili na yung consultant. Yung consultant ang nakapag-share sa pioneer. Consultant siya pero pioneer binili. So may $78 siya, which is malaki na rin. Pero wag ka, pag pioneer ka, mas malaki kasi 234 ka. Pero don't worry or don't you worry, sabi nga, ika nga, consultant. Kasi yung 78 mo na yan, actually, 234 pa rin yan. Yung ano dyan, yung differential niyan, so mapupunta yan for your upgrading. Okay, so magagamit mo rin siya. It's a very powerful. Hindi yan mawawala lang. Okay, para sa iyo pa rin yan. Wow, very exciting. So, naintindihan natin direct sponsor, no? Siyempre, pag ganyan yung direct sponsor at nakikita mong mas malaking pioneer, 100%. Magpa-pioneer ka. Okay, next. Registration bonus. So, mapapansin mo na naman. Nasa account mo. Kasi doon, pag tinignan mo doon yung Yes Weekend, may kita mo doon yung new package membership. So, in-code mo, kukunin mo yung information nila para makapag-start sila ng business sa atin sa Yes Global. So, in-encode mo. Meron kang 1% pag ikaw consultant pag in-encode mo yan. Nakikita mo rito sa unang consultant chart na to, may 0.3 hanggang 7.8. Pero pag consultant ka, tingnan mo, may leader, may builder, may pioneer, tingnan mo sa pioneer. Ikaw nag-encode, di ba? So, consultant lang, kung may 0.30 doon sa consultant to consultant, pero dito, consultant na ikaw ay pioneer is 0.75. Ang maganda, pag in-encode mo yung pioneer at ikaw pioneer, meron kang 19.50. Pero kung ikaw consultant, in-encode mo yung pioneer, meron ka lang 7.80. So nakita mo, balikan mo yung chart na yan. So ganun siya. Habang nag-i-encode ka lang, mag-enjoy ka rito mag-encode, di ba? Ay, ikaw lang mag-encode, di ba? Pero dapat meron kang points. Meron kang mga bonus points, okay? Meron kang mga S-wallet na pwedeng gabitan. Don't worry, tuturuan po namin kayo, napakadali lang yan mag-encode. Or yung mga stockers po natin yung mag-i-encode. Okay? Yun. Upgrade bonus, siyempre mga differential members package upgrade. To upgrade to your membership, pay differential amount to earn bonus at additional PB. So, ganun lang yan. Differential lang yan. Kung builder ka, papuntang pioneer. Or consultant ka, papuntang pioneer. Yun, development bonus. Ito na yung sa iba, pairing yan. So, may pairing limit siya. Okay? So, consultant, so napapansin nyo, 9% multiply by PB. So, napapansin nyo, may 2.70. Tapos, pagdating na sa double pair, pag nag-double na kasi yan, ganito yan. Pag na-hit mo na yung parang maximum na dinesign nila rito as a consultant, normally, nagna 9% yan. Pero, ang maganda rito, wala siyang flash out. Ang gagawin niya, magpo 4.5% lang siya. So, maximum double pair hanggang mahit mo na yung maximum na yan. Yan o, nakikita mo 202 per day on daily limit or 1,436 and weekly at 6,156. So, yan. Kung titingnan mo rin yan, yung sa leader, may 10% and 5%, sa builder, 11% and 5.5%, Pero sa double, tingnan mo siya. It's 12%. 12% yung pairing, no? Okay yan. So, 12% times 780 PB equals $94 yung ating left and right dyan. Grabe. So, very powerful yan. And pag may hit mo, tapos pag na-hit niya na yung ano dyan, yung pinaka double pair, okay? So, double pair muna yan, tapos magsi 6% na siya. Ang maganda rito, walang limit si Pioneer. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, syempre iba pa rin yung Pioneer, no? Pioneer ka na, pag nagsimula ka rito, tapos Pioneer din yung income mo. Ibig sabihin, infinity, ayun, no? Infinity income tayo. Okay? So, ganun siya kaganda. Okay? Ito yung number 4 natin kitaan, development bonus ang tawag dyan. Bukod doon, kung medyo masipag ka sa mag-invite, ang tawag dito, development matching bonus. Simple lang to. Napakasimple. Pag ikaw nag-invite, tapos kumikita itong mga inimbitahan mo, kaibigan mo, or customer mo, okay? So, nagkakaroon ka ng bawat percentage. Depende sa lalim, depende sa package mo para makuha mo yung pinakamalalim. Parang yung 5, 4, 3, 2%, pag consultant ka, syempre yung leader, mas mahaba hanggang 6th generation or level na tinatawag nila, yung builder hanggang 8th generation. Pero syempre yung pioneer, mamamaximize mo yung 20% na allocation na buong pinakailalim mo. As we go on, lumalaki tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng rank. So, nagkakaroon ng rank, may mga differential, so ganito. So, ito yung isa sa powerful din na potential. Kaya dito, very importante rin na meron ka ring invite, okay? Or may na-sharean ka kasi magugulat ka na lang kung stockist ba yan or lumaki na yung grupo niya, or magugulat ka rito sa numbers na pwede mong kitain pagdating sa development matching bonus. Yan, mabilis na tayo. Konti na lang. Unilevel bonus, ang good news dito, all based dito. Ang maganda kasi dito, wala naman kasi siya talaga yung requirement to maintain yung sa sarili natin. Pero ang maganda, pag dumating na sa point na may requirement na ng left and right mo, may na-detect na, uy, may isa palang one left, one right na nag-maintain dito. So, magti-trigger yan. Uy, grabe, ito pala, 5 left, 5 right na. So, magti-trigger na yan. Magti-trigger na yung inyong commission yan. Additional yan, ito na yung mga repeat orders. Ayan yung allocation yan. Hanggang 60% kay consultant, ng 75% yung allocation, 85% at 95%. Grabe yun level lang to because we have highly saleable product. May-enjoy natin yung repeat order ng product na to. Yan, patapos na po tayo. And the leadership rank bonus, kung nakikita nyo dyan, yun, gold, star, platinum, grabe, puro diamond. Nakikita nyo, ang daming numbers. This is also will follow. Pag sinimulan natin yung business, talagang magpa-follow lang to. Tingnan mo to, isang page pa lang to, nakikita nyo na rank. Meron pang isang page na leadership rank. Ibig sabihin, the company design, dinisign nila is for the long term. Okay? So, packet tayo ng packet. Hindi demotion, paakyat. Okay? Kung makikita mo yung potential ng leadership na meron na potential tayo kay Yes Global, grabe, it's a very powerful, this is given leadership from habang nagsisimula tayo by the single step or baby step, nagsisimula tayo kay Yes Global in a couple of months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, grabe, it's a very powerful. Financially we are ito yung pwede nating kitain, magtagumpay tayo pagdating sa finance. Syempre, bago pa dumating yun sa gamit natin product, we are healthy and wealthy at the same time sa powerful design ng Yes Global. So, yun na po, lahat yan, leadership and leadership incentive, syempre, leadership rank achievements, meron yan, lagi tayong merong design yan. May annual campaign sila, may mga Zoom, may mga ganito. Meron din silang mga grabe entertaining yung Zoom ng Yes Global, makakausap mo yung mga may-ari, presidente, doktor, at Unilevel rank achievement. So may award dyan, may recognition din. At the same time, country, may award and recognition sa country and globally. So nandun niya, may quarterly campaign and Yes Global Academy. So gusto mong matutunan lahat, everything. Grabe, the very powerful leadership incentive na meron kay Yes Global. And with that, Yes, we can. Yes, we can. So, maraming salamat. Okay, kaya-kaya natin to. To start, we'll help each other at very powerful company. Yes, Global. Happy earnings, everyone.